not the exercises you teach, but how they're taught that makes all the difference in the world about the class you're giving. I can take a class and put it together with a series of exercises, and it could be considered an easy class. I could take that same series of exercises and put them together differently and make it a completely different class. For example, if I want to really fatigue the clients, we can work one side at a time until that side is so tired it just can't go anymore. If I want to ease up, I can alternate and have the clients work one side and then switch back. Or I can offer less breaks or operate in sets, or. As you start teaching, it isn't just about the exercises you choose, but how you structure your class. Do you want today's class to be heavier in cardio, or is it a resistance day? Are you going to work every single muscle group exactly proportionately, or is it a booty day with just a little bit of extra attention on that booty? As you start teaching, there are a lot of these things to consider.